Alright then, I'll hand you over to Dave, who's going to take you through the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7.
Thank you. Oh, Luke, what's up there? Okay, well, hello everyone, I'm Dave. I'm going to take you through the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which I think is a more fashionable device, let me be honest, because we here are all influencers. I thought about that when I was sleeping last night. The best ideas come to me when I'm sleeping. But what we're going to do is we're going to kind of redesign the Flip 6. Who's got a Flip 6 here? Anyone got a Flip? Oh, got one. You bought one and gave it to somebody else. Okay.
My wife.
Your wife. Okay, yeah, she gets a pass. We're representing on that. Thank you very much. Oh, nice. Okay. Well, we'll talk later. Give me some tips. Happy days. But anyone else got a Flip? You got, yes, I saw you taking a Flip earlier, taking a picture. It's great, right? He's photogenic, isn't he? Influencers nowadays. Okay, so the Z Flip 7 is an amazing device. It's a proper influencer device. I do like it. I'm a fold guy, I've got to say, but it's great. But we've done some really cool stuff with it. So, when we're looking at sleek design, we thought to ourselves, what are we going to do next? Z Flip 6, pretty nice phone. Really like it. What are we going to do next? We listened to you, and that's where we got our inspiration. So we're looking at that, we looked at the design. Now, design, right here, that's your Z Flip 6. We're going to redesign this device right here and now. So first thing we thought, okay, let's make this device a little bit wider to give more accuracy in typing, which is great. We made the hinges a lot thinner, so that was great. Happy with that? Good, I've got, yeah? All right. Gentlemen's up on the back there, they're letting me know. They've given me the nod, that's okay. We're with it. Happy? Got smart. Okay. Next up, we got rid of the camera, just for the moment. We wanted to redesign it. Different cameras. We've made the bezels a little bit thinner. A little experiment, but we've still got this notch. This notch make any sense? No? No? Okay. We'll get rid of the notch. So we got rid of the notch. To give you now a 4.1-inch screen. Okay? Real cover screen viewable experience. Then we brought you in to new cameras. Right there, straight off the bat with an LED flash. Right there, you have your brand new Z Flip 7. Happy with that? Good? Good feedback from you, gives us a brand new phone, which is great. What we've done more. So when we're talking about more, we've given you much more when it comes down to colours. We've given you the coral red, like that, fashionable coral red. We've also given you the standard jet black, just like the little outfit that you need on a Saturday. And then we've given you blue shadow, which is our hero colour. Altogether, what a lineup of colours. Everyone happy with that? Good? Yeah? Any favourites for the coral red? Put your hand up. Got one, got two there. Jet black. Nice, easy, safe choice. We like it. Or blue shadow. All got blue shadow, but got a certain amount. Okay, got it. Happy with that. Got a couple there. Yes, blue shadow. Pretty cool. But also, we do have a very fashionable online exclusive colour, which is mint, which is quite lovely. And Luke, you're right, it doesn't do justice on this screen. No. So, these are the colours that we have. Now, when we're looking at how, thin these devices are, 13.7 millimeters folded, right? And 6.5 millimeters open flat, which is beautiful. Now, compare it to our previous model, closed, you've literally seen a big shaving off on how we've done with the hinges and everything else to make it sure it is a lot lower than our previous model, which is cool. Also, we've looked at how much can we minimize or maximize and what to do. So we've actually minimized the actual thickness of the device and we've maximized literally the durability. So everything Luke took you through on the Fold 7, we've made sure that this is available on the Flip. No stone left unturned. We good? We're pausing, people might be taking pictures. I'm good with that, we can do that. How you doing? Okay, good. Right, so let's move on. Now, when we're looking at how thin this device is, absolutely thin, but also battery was a big thing. We've got 4,300 milliamps battery, but we spread the battery between the two parts of the phone to make it well balanced. So you get much more power and much more energy to do more of what you want to do. However, this does happen. Run out of battery. It's not good. Don't worry, because with a 25-watt super fast battery, you can actually get this phone fully charged up in just over an hour. Or if you want, and you're in a really rushed, busy morning, dropping the kids, making coffee, getting ready, 30 minutes, you've got half battery. That be fully optimized for 25 watts. Happy with that? We good? Everyone can relate to that, right? I build all the time. Don't put it on charge overnight, wake up 2%. This is great.
It is fast charging and fuel.
It was faster than the previous one, super fast on this one. Yeah, absolutely. Now, we've gone with an Exynos 2500 processor. This chip, well balanced, 5G, very power efficient, and keeps the device cool. And the reason why that is two things. Number one, we've got the MPU, CPU, and GPU all on one space on the chip. It's not littered around the actual tech board. But also, we've got thermal insulation material. It's like a thin little material which gets rid of all the heat and keeps that phone nice and cool in your pocket. Therefore, you've got more battery to play around with. Make sense? Yeah? You good with that? What do you think, Governor? I'm going to pop one over here. What do you?
It's a good one.
You said it's a good one? I'm with it. No,
Galaxy 6 is good as well.
Look, 6 is good, but we need to make it better, right? And here we are. Beautiful thing. Don't worry, there'll be no letting out the razor loop from that table. You've got to wear wristbands. Okay. So, when we're looking at this device, it's amazing. We've given you a flagship camera. This is the ultimate, I like to say, influencer camera, which is amazing. We give you a wonderful 50 megapixel camera, new camera, which will allow you to get up close and personal. You can take all those pro shots, look great in all those pictures, because I can see a lot of selfie lovers in this crowd. Yeah. She immediately started smiling, so selfie, yes, that's me. Okay. I can agree. I'm not got that selfie head space. I don't know. A bit weird, right? But it's good, right? I do like it. Can you tell the selfies? No?
Not yet.
They want to be influencers, these two, I tell you right now. Coming there, rocking shorts, you know, looking cool. There we go. I mean, got some influence over the selfies. Happy with that selfie? It looks a bit like, sure. You right with the selfie? Not really. He's honest. I would like that. Thank you for being honest. Selfies are me, yeah, but with this camera, you can do some amazing stuff. And with Luke, you will be doing some amazing stuff with this camera. No doubt. But also, you can actually put this in flex mode, and you can take pictures anywhere you want to. Whether you want to just... This does happen.
Yeah guys, and it's just happened to me. Yeah, while I was filming, I forgot to keep an eye on my battery level, and the Insta360 X5 that I was filming on cut off, and it cut off while the tech maestro was giving his spiel about the Flip 7. Yeah guys, so hey, you live and you learn. Next time I shouldn't be so engrossed in what he was saying and keep an eye on my equipment. Yeah, so for all you vloggers out there, this is a lesson. Keep an eye out on your equipment, because if your equipment's not working, you're not going to get anything. Yeah guys, so anyway, let's get back. He's going to wrap this up with a little spiel on the Flip 7 FE for all you people out there that might not want to be going full hog for the bee's knees. And yeah, so let's have a look at this and then wrap this thing up. Let's go.
But before we do that, you thought I was done, right? Did you think I was done? Did you think I was done? Yeah, no, we're not. Because we do have your FE model.
Oh, yes.
We've got the FE model, the fan favourite. This FE model is absolutely brilliant and allows those people that don't want to have the big spend to have the bang for their buck. Okay, the FE is wonderful. It's got amazing camera, 6.7 inch screen. It's more modern on your Flip 6. But we're giving you more like an easier, accessible version to this. and a price point to match. And we've got One UI 8, which is on your Flip 7, now on your Flip 7 FE, to make sure you're fully involved with all the software and all the bits and bobs that you like to do on this device. 50 megapixel camera, it's an absolute winner. Winner, cinnamon swirl over there. That's mine. And on that note, I'm definitely going to hand you back to Luke to give you the further briefing. Thank you very much.
Well done, everyone. Is that quicker there? Use the clicker. Right, so let me tell you what you'll be doing for the next hour or so, because we've got these 4 experience zones, which are going to get you hands-on with your devices, enabling you to write better, more concise reviews. You will be split into 4 different groups. Now, mate, can I just borrow your landline quickly? So, can I borrow your landline quickly? Thank you so much. And you know which group you're in because you are been assigned to a colour. And also, you'll be assigned to a route of the 4 experience zones you're going to be taking part in. So for example, Blue Shadow, for everybody in Blue Shadow, you are going to ultra slim, ultra light, which is just behind that section there, and Joe is going to take you through that. Then when it's your turn to get involved in lens lock, you'll be going over to Lucy in this corner. So whenever you're next to go to lens lock, Lucy in that corner, talk about 200 megapixel main camera. Gen Edit, talk about the generative edit in Galaxy AI, that's with me, just there. I've got a little photo opportunity piece around there, so that's Gen Edit. And then decoded drinks is where you're going to be using Google Gemini Live with DW and the lovely G in the corner there, making some drinks using the help of Galaxy AI and Google Gemini. So yeah, those are your 4 hands-on experiences, right? We need to make sure you will be given 3 Galaxy Z Folds and 3 Galaxy Z Flips, as mentioned. If you get a wristband, you have to be given advice. Don't try it. Like, I'm not going to advice, you've got a wristband on, so we know. You'll complete 4 themed games to prepare for an imaginary Samsung festival. Alright? There's method to the madness in all of these experiences. After that, each game you'll complete, you'll receive a 1-digit code of a 4-digit code you need to unlock the safe. Alright, so each padlock's got a colour on it. In your groups, in your teams, assign a team captain who will look after those codes, alright, so we get them up front to unlock the padlock. Follow your team's rotation in order of the games are listed on the back of your lanyard. We'll bid through those and where you need to go for each one of those. And collaborate, have fun, and discover the latest Samsung features as you progress through all 4 games. Now, I've got this one in my hand. Can all Blue Shadows please stand up and come and get your device? And after you do that, you're going to ultra slim and ultra light. So Blue Shadows, please come this way and get your devices. Blue Shadow, this side and get your devices. Blue Shadow, this side and let's get your devices. Blue Shadow, Blue Shadow. Blue Shadow, Blue Shadow.
C Fold 7 and Flip. I'm in the jet black zone. I've got jet so I don't know where I'm going first.
So Blue Shadow, get your devices and you go over there with Joe.
I'll catch you guys on the other side.